How to add subtitles to video in Canva. So first go to Canva, and then you can just open up your video. So for example, this is mine, and then you can just press on or click on text here at the left side, or hover mouse over text and then click on add a text box. Okay, and then here you can just begin typing in the words for your subtitle. So I'm just going to type in test here, then just keep typing the subtitles here for every word that the video or that you hear on the video. So just let it run, play it, and then keep typing on the words that they say on the video. Okay, so that's about it. You can just keep adding text boxes here for every video. So let's say I'm going to add a new video like this one. Let's add it here on the right side. Then here you can do that again, just add a text box. Let's say the subtitle is up to this point, and then a few words is said here up to this point. Again, let's say there are a few words here again that's different from the first line of words. You can just click on, hover your mouse over text here again, then just click on add the text box, and then just type in the words, the next words here again. Okay, so just keep doing that until you finish adding subtitles to the whole video. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.